This is the beginning of autumn, and it's getting cooler this day. Why do old man fans say that I can only eat but not cook? Then I'll give you a chance today to show off. Then I will show them my best fresh big plate chicken today. That's good. I can take a day off today. Okay then, I'll catch it. Oh yo, I made 2 of them and ate them. Well, today I will make a huge fresh plate. These have been raised for almost a year. Oh yeah. Wash it with the processed juice. Shake off the processed juice first. Chop small pieces. Soak some red pepper. Eat the side dishes that arrived on the big plate first. Ginger. Garlic. Green pepper. Dig red chili. Potatoes cut into large thick slices. Old lady, you prepared the side dishes in a decent way. The hot peppers are boiled and chopped into fine powder. Pour canola oil in the pan. Let's have some fried sugar color. Okay, get the chicken nuggets. Fry the chicken for a while longer. You came here to peek at my handiwork and come to live, huh? Space Cash. Stir fry the end of the skin and the skin with your hands. This is the most divorced thing about Big Fat. How about I? This Blackie can handle it pretty well. Right, good spice. Water chicken nugget tank and some cooking water to remove the smell. Well, add boiling water to him. Cover the pot. This piece of steamed our potato needs to be stewed a little longer. The chicken is ready to cook. Some salt and pepper. With potatoes, some more vermicelli. Let them simmer for a while. All side dishes. Drink all. Finally, some minced garlic. Hey, the taste of this Unshan district is so fresh that it comes out of the pot. Come today. It smells so is my old and fresh. You have a try. Nice, haha. Delicious, delicious. Eat more. A little hot. After the beginning of autumn, it's cooler and I found that you ate more neatly when you were shooting this video. I don't usually eat well, Oh, the noodles are here. Oh, eat some more noodles. Look in the mirror. It's great to eat. I ate so much.